In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create tables in Microsoft OneNote using shortcuts. Tables are a great way to organize information, whether you're taking notes, planning tasks, or comparing data. Using shortcuts makes the process faster and helps you stay focused without constantly switching between your keyboard and mouse. To begin, open Microsoft OneNote and navigate to the page where you want to insert your table. Click anywhere on the page to place your cursor. This is where your table will appear. Instead of going through the Insert tab, you can use simple keyboard techniques to create a table instantly. Start by typing a word or phrase, then press the Tab key on your keyboard. As soon as you press Tab, OneNote will automatically convert your text into a table with 2 columns. The text you typed will appear in the first cell, and your cursor will move to the next cell, allowing you to continue typing. Each time you press Tab again, you move to the next column. And when you reach the end, OneNote automatically creates a new row. You can continue adding rows by pressing Tab at the end of the last cell, which makes it easy to expand your table as you go. This method is perfect when you're quickly capturing information and don't want to interrupt your workflow. If you need to move backward within the table, simply press Shift and Tab together. This takes you to the previous cell, allowing you to edit or adjust your content without using your mouse. It's a simple shortcut, but it can save a lot of time when working with larger tables. You can also resize your table after creating it. Click inside the table, and you'll see borders around each cell. You can drag these borders to adjust the width of columns or the height of rows, depending on your layout needs. This helps keep your table neat and easy to read. Using shortcuts for tables in OneNote not only improves speed, but also helps you stay in a productive flow while taking notes. It's especially useful during meetings or lectures when every second counts. And that's it. You now know how to create tables in Microsoft OneNote using simple keyboard shortcuts to work faster and more efficiently. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.